Hello and a very warm welcome viewers. You're watching the special presentation of Sunset TV on the 85th All India Presiding Officers Conference held in Patna in Bihar. The two-day conference brought key figures from all the legislative bodies across the country. Here's everything you need to know about the conference. Come along.
माननीय पीठासीन अधिकारीगण, 2 दिवसीय हम संविधान की 75वीं वर्षगांठ संवैधानिक मूल्यों को सशक्त बनाए रखने में संसद एवं राज्य विधानमंडलों का योगदान पर चर्चा करेंगे।
The All India Presiding Officers Conference was launched in the year 1921, and since then, this conference has been ceaselessly striving to strengthen the democratic way of life and promoting a sense of unity and oneness in the Indian legislatures. This conference provides a platform to share new ideas, views and experiences with all the presiding officers in India. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurated the 85th All India Presiding Officers Conference in Patna in Bihar on 20th January 2025. He stated that the tradition of barrier-free, orderly discussion and smooth communication should be maintained in legislatures. Expressing concern over the decline in the number of sittings, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla emphasized that it should be the endeavour of all the presiding officers to ensure no disruptions occur in the houses despite agreements and disagreements. He said that our houses should perform their functions in a better environment, serving the wider public interests, enabling us to contribute more effectively to public service and good governance by fulfilling the constitutional responsibilities.
देश के लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाओं को सशक्त मजबूत करते हुए देश के 140 करोड़ लोगों को उनकी अपेक्षाएं आकांक्षाओं के अनुसार इस लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाओं के माध्यम से उनकी आकांक्षा पूरी हो, अपेक्षा पूरी हो, ये सारी जिम्मेदारी पीठासीन अधिकारी के रूप में हमारी है। और इसीलिए आज हम यहाँ चर्चा करेंगे, विचार विमर्श करेंगे, वो हमें नया ज्ञान देगा, नई प्रेरणा देगी।
The theme of this year's conference was 75 years of India's constitution and how parliament and legislative bodies can strengthen constitutional values.
माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष महोदय, सदन की कार्रवाई प्रारंभ की जाती है।
The theme of two-day conference organized in Bihar for the third time was 75th anniversary of Constitution, contribution of Parliament and state legislative bodies in strengthening constitutional values. 85th All India Presiding Officers Conference adopted 5 resolutions on tributes to founding fathers, respect for values in Constitution, barrier-free and orderly debates, and celebration of 75 years of Constitution and the use of digital technology. Presiding officers have given creative ideas to celebrate 75th anniversary of the Constitution as a festival. Parliament of India, legislative assemblies of all states, with active participation of Panchayati Raj institutions, urban bodies, cooperative institutions, youth, women, students, professionals, NGOs, entrepreneurs, media, and all stakeholders of democracy should run campaigns and various programs to deepen democracy across the country throughout the year.
मैं सभी पीठासीन अधिकारीगण से आग्रह करता हूं कि वह अपने विचार व्यक्त करते समय संविधान की भावनाओं के अनुरूप हमने अपने सदनों की गरिमा प्रतिष्ठा को बढ़ाया और उसी के साथ साथ अपनी राज्य की विधानसभा विधान परिषद में लोकतंत्र को सशक्त मजबूत करने के लिए जो नए इनोवेशन किए हैं, जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग किया है, उस पे भी अपने विचार साझा करें ताकि हम संविधान की मूल भावनाओं के अनुरूप संसदीय लोकतंत्र को सशक्त कर रहे हैं और लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाओं को प्रभावी बना रहे हैं। ये विचार विमर्श, अपने अनुभव साझा करने से हम अपने अपने लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाओं को जनता की अपेक्षाओं, आकांक्षाओं के अनुरूप बनाने में भी आपस में हमें नई दिशा मिलती है और उसके साथ ही हमें नए इनोवेशन, नई टेक्नोलॉजी से हम सदनों को जनता से जोड़ते हुए उनकी भागीदारी को बढ़ाने में भी इन सदनों का योगदान बढ़ता है।
The Lok Sabha Speaker also highlighted that the Parliament of India is leading in leveraging technology. He also informed that AI enables simultaneous translation in 10 of the 22 official languages in Parliament of India, and that this facility will be soon available to all the members in all 22 languages. He stated that all types of parliamentary papers are being made available to members in 10 regional languages through artificial intelligence, and expressed happiness that India is the only democracy moving towards translating all debates. He also informed presiding officers that Parliament of India will share technological tools with state legislatures to enhance their efficiency and productivity. The valedictory session was addressed by Governor of Bihar, Arif Mohammad Khan, and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on Tuesday on 21st of January. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha Harivansh, Speaker of Bihar Legislative Assembly Nand Kishore Yadav, Chairman of Bihar Vidhan Parishad Avdesh Narayan Singh, Deputy Chairman of Bihar Vidhan Parishad Professor Ramachandra Rai, and presiding officers of legislatures of states and UTs and ministers in the government of Bihar, along with members of Bihar legislature and other dignitaries, graced the valedictory session. In the context of the parliamentary system, the presiding officers refer to the officials who oversee and regulate the proceedings of houses of legislative body such as Parliament and state assemblies. The presiding officers are responsible for upholding parliamentary rules, maintaining order, managing debates, and conducting the legislative processes as per the established procedures within their respective houses of the legislative body. Overall, their role is to ensure that the legislative body functions smoothly and efficiently. The presiding officers of Parliament and state legislatures serve as custodians of parliamentary democracy. By playing their crucial roles in the functioning of the parliamentary system, they embody the principles of democracy, ensuring that the voices of millions of Indians are heard and represented in the highest legislative forums of the country. Sansad TV spoke exclusively to several speakers and chairpersons of the legislative bodies in India. As India continues to evolve and grow, the role of presiding officers remains indispensable in shaping the nation's legislative agenda and upholding the value of democracy and governance. Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sansad TV. With camera person DK Pandey, I'm Kriti Mishra signing off from Patna.